Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to AI by JRVAE. Artificial intelligence, the whole world is speaking of it. It seems that we are at the dawn of new age, the age of AI. Now, let's just start with a simple, formal definition of AI. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. That means, it was developed to help us and behave like us, like humans. Most companies are willing to take up AI technology to try to reduce operational costs, increase efficiency, and to grow revenue. AI is changing the way we live. Let me show you an interesting statistic of AI. This statistic is taken from Statista. This is about expected revenues from the AI market worldwide, from 2016 to 2025. We are here, in 2020. AI is a technique of getting machines to work and behave like humans. In the recent past, AI has able to accomplish this, by creating machines and robots that are being used in a wide range of fields, including robotics, marketing, healthcare, business analytics, and many more. Now, let's go to the types of AI. Artificial intelligence can be divided into various types. There are mainly two types of main categorization, which are based on capabilities, and based on functionality of AI. Now, let us start with types of AI based on capabilities. In this categorization, artificial intelligence is divided into three types: narrow AI or weak AI, general AI, and strong AI. Narrow AI. It is a type of AI, which is able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence. This AI can't perform beyond its field or limitations, as it is only trained for one specific task. Facebook face recognition, self-driving cars, voice assistants, Siri, all comes into this category of AI. General AI. It is a type of AI, which could perform any intellectual task with an efficiency like a human. Currently, there is no such system exists which could come under general AI, and can perform any task as perfect as a human. The worldwide researchers are now focused on developing machines with general AI. Strong AI. Strong AI is a level of intelligence systems, at which machines could surpass human intelligence. Strong AI is still a hypothetical concept of artificial intelligence. Development of such systems in real life is still world-changing task. Types of AI based on functionality. In this categorization, AI is divided into four types: reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, and finally self-awareness. Reactive machine AI. These are the most basic types of AI. They do not store any memories, or past experiences for future actions. These machines only focus on current scenarios, and only react on it as per best possible action. IBM Deep Blue AI comes into this category. Limited memory AI. Limited memory can store some data, or past experiences for a short period of time. Self-driving cars are one of the best examples of limited memory systems. These cars can store recent speed of nearby cars, the distance of other cars, speed limit, and other information to navigate the road. Theory of mind AI. This will understand the human emotions, people, beliefs, and be able to interact socially like humans. This type of AI are still not developed, but researchers are making lots of efforts and improvement for developing such AI machines. And finally, self-awareness AI. This is the future of artificial intelligence. These machines will be super intelligent, and will have their own consciousness, sentiments, and self-awareness. Self-awareness AI does not exist in reality still, and it is a hypothetical concept. If these type of AI exists, what will be the future of us? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And please subscribe for future updates. Now, let's discuss about domains of AI, or which is also called as branches of AI. There is a broad set of techniques that come in the domain of artificial intelligence, such as linguistics, bias, vision, robotics, planning, natural language processing, decision science, etc. Let us acquire information about some of the major subfields of AI in deep. There are 6 major subfields in AI. Machine learning, deep learning, expert systems, robotics, natural language processing, and finally fuzzy logic. Machine learning. It is an application of AI that provides system the ability to automatically learn and can improve from experience without explicitly programmed. Applications include Netflix viewing suggestions, Twitter ranking posts, etc. Deep learning. It is a subset of machine learning in AI that has networks capable of learning unsupervised form of data, which is unstructured or unlabeled. Deep learning is also known as deep neural networks or deep neural learning. Applications include self-driving cars, voice assistants, automatic handwriting generation, etc. Expert systems. Expert system is a computer system that emulates the decision-making ability of a human expert. Expert systems are developed to solve complex problems by reasoning through bodies of knowledge, represented mainly as if-then rules, rather than through conventional procedural code. Applications include mycin, Dendral, etc. Mycin helps you to identify various bacteria that could cause acute infections. Dendral is used for chemical analysis to predict molecular structure. Robotics. Robotics is an interdisciplinary research area at the interface of computer science and engineering. It involves design, construction, operation and use of robots. The goal of robotics is to design intelligent machines that can help and assist humans in their day-to-day lives and keep everyone safe. Natural language processing. NLP is a subfield of linguistics, computer science, information engineering and artificial intelligence. NLP concerned with no interaction between computers and human language. Applications include speech recognition, chatbots and text classification, etc. And finally fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is an approach to computing based on degrees of truth, rather than usual true or false Boolean logic, on which the modern computer is based. Applications include satellite altitude control, intelligent highway systems and traffic control, etc. Now, let's see some of the interesting applications of AI. The first one is AlphaGo. AlphaGo is a computer program that plays the board game Go. It was developed by DeepMind Technologies, which was later acquired by Google. In March 2016, it beat Lee Sedol in a 5-game match, who is 18 times world champion, with a final score of 4-1 in favor of AlphaGo. After that, AlphaGo Zero was released, and it beat AlphaGo, with a final score of 18-1, in favor of AlphaGo Zero. Google Duplex. Google Duplex is an AI assistant, which allows certain users to make a restaurant reservation by phone. However, instead of user speaking directly to the restaurant employee, Google Duplex speaks for them with a human-sounding voice. Let's hear this conversation with hair salon employee.
So how can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd.
Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around?
At 12 p.m.
We do not have a 12 p.m. available. The closest we have to that is a 1:15.
Do you have anything between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.?
Depending on what service she would like. What service is she looking for?
Just a woman's haircut for now.
Okay, we have a 10 o'clock.
10 a.m. is fine.
Okay, what's her first name?
The first name is Lisa.
Okay, perfect. So I will see Lisa at 10 o'clock on May 3rd.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Great. Have a great day. Bye.
This is the conversation of AI. Twitter deployed AI to fight inappropriate and racist content on its platform, as authorities in UK and the Germany increase measures and fines to prevent hate speech, fake news and illegal content on social media. In the first 6 months of 2017, Twitter take down nearly 300,000 terrorists' accounts. JP Morgan Coin. JP Morgan announced it had developed and deployed new software called Coin, shorthand of contract intelligence, that automate document review for a certain class of contracts. These softwares reviews in seconds the number of contracts that previously took lawyers over 360,000 man-hours. Tesla Autopilot. Autopilot advanced safety and convenience features are designed to assist you with the most burdensome parts of driving. Autopilot enables your car to steer, accelerate and brake automatically within its lane. Current autopilot features require active driver supervision, and do not make the vehicle autonomous. IBM Watson. Watson is a question-answering computer system, capable of answering questions posted in natural language, developed in IBM 2013. IBM announced that Watson software system's first commercial system would be for utilization management decisions in lung cancer treatment in New York City.